These bikinis look simple, but making them is anything but.
Every stitch has to be perfect.
And it all happens inside factories like this.
Because swimwear must stretch, fit, and last.
Let's see how bikinis are really made. It all starts with stretchable fabric, like nylon and spandex.
This material can stretch multiple times its size.
Each roll is checked for defects.
Layers are stacked for efficient cutting.
Precision here saves time later.
Patterns define every piece of the bikini. Modern factories use automated cutting systems.
Others rely on skilled manual cutting. Cut panel, all parts separated after cutting.
And they're organized by size and style.
Now comes the most important step: sewing.
Matching all bikini cut panels.
Attach front gusset to front part of bikini. Attach back inner and outer gusset to back part of bikini. Attach back yoke to back of bikini fronts.
Back yoke top stitch of bikini.
Make care label 5 label together stitching.
Tack care label with bikini fabric. Join shoulder of bikini seam. Join side seam of bikini. Attach elastic to armhole of bikini. Attach elastic to neck of bikini. Attach elastic to leg of bikini. Leg top stitch of bikini.
Armhole top stitch of bikini. Armhole top stitch of bikini.
Neck top stitch of bikini.
Neck, armhole, and leg bar tack of bikini.
Edges are stitched to prevent fraying. Overlock machines create flexible seams. Cups are shaped and sewn carefully. Padding may be added for support. Straps are attached for adjustability. Each piece is assembled step by step.
Bottoms are sewn with equal precision.
Adding lining to bikini. Adding hooks to back of bikini.
Reinforcing joints of bikini. Even tiny defects of bikini are not acceptable.
Every piece of bikini must handle repeated stretching.
Loose threads are carefully removed.
Heat finishing improves shape and appearance.
The bikini is now fully assembled.
Next, quality control of bikini. Every stitch is inspected.
Sizes must match exact standards.
Stretch performance is tested again.
Colors must be consistent across batches.
And tested for water performance.
Defective items are removed immediately.
Only the best pieces move forward.
Labels and branding are added. Now ready for packaging. Each piece is packed carefully. Barcodes are added for tracking. Packed into boxes for shipping. Stored before distribution. Then shipped worldwide.
From factory to fashion stores. Designed for comfort and style.
And built with precision.
Made possible by skilled workers.
A journey from fabric to finished bikini product.
This is how bikinis are made.
Subscribe for more behind-the-scenes manufacturing videos.
See you in the next video.